Good morning, students. Today in S.St. we will go through Chapter 7, the land of dense forests. And in this chapter we will go through vegetation. Yesterday we had gone through climate. So we all know that climate of the equatorial region, it is very hot because it is near the equator and it gets maximum sunlight. So because of that, the climate is hot and humid, and precipitation here it is daily. That means daily rainfall occurs. And because if there is the daily rainfall over here, then what will be the vegetation, students? The vegetation is the trees are in a abundant. It is in a large quantity. Small trees, big trees, and it is like a dense forest. That is why the title is dense forest. So it forms a canopy. Canopy means like an umbrella. Because if you go inside the forest, it is full dark. Why? Because the sun the rays does not penetrate inside. Because it is so much of trees over there, small trees, big trees, and the season also is autumn season doesn't come here, because the trees one at the time in different times layers the trees shed their leaves. So all the time it is greenery, evergreen forest it is. Okay. So today we will go and we will discuss about the vegetation of this in this chapter, and I hope you have brought the map, world map. You can buy a physical map also if you get it, and if you don't get it, you can buy a political map also. And the way it is given in the book, S.St. book, in the same way you will color it, and that legend is there. You have to write it that it is a cold desert, it is a hot desert, it is a snowy area. That also you have to write it over there. That yellow is for this, green is for this, brown is for this. So that also you will write it in the map. And then when you will paste it in the 7th chapter plain page. Okay, in the S.St. copy. So students, let's get started with vegetation of chapter 7. So students, as I had told you about the climate, so this region remains very hot and humid throughout the year, and because of this causes precipitation, means it causes rainfall daily. And which are the countries and continents? South America, Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, etc. Africa, Liberia, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, Guinea, then Democratic Republic of Congo, etc. Then Asia, Malaysia, Indonesia, southern parts of India, etc. And Australia, whole of Australia. Then we come to the vegetations. Vegetations means all the plants, trees that grow over here. So this region receives optimum sunlight. I had told you because it is near the equator, so it gets maximum sunlight and has daily precipitation, and daily rainfall is also there. That is why approximately 50% of the world's plants are in this area. Means from the world's plants, 50% is here only, and though this region occupies only 6% of the total land area. Land area is 6% only, but 50% of the world's plants are grown here. The trees in these forests bear fruits and shed leaves, but at different times of the year. Due to this, autumn never come in this forest, because here every time the trees is green, because it doesn't all the trees does not shed their leaves at the same time. Okay, so these forests are therefore also called evergreen forest. So that is why it is called evergreen forest. The trees in this forest grow in several layers, and the taller trees spread their branches forming a canopy. Canopy means like an umbrella, it forms at the top. See here, it is so dense. So it is a dark light because of the tree. There are so many trees. That is why if you go inside, it will be full dark. And this prevents sunlight from passing through. The floor of the forest is covered with shrubs, and here in the floor also there are shrubs and creepers and small trees also. So various types of ferns are also found in abundance in the evergreen forest. See these ferns and all, these creepers, ferns, all these are there. And some commonly found trees are in this forest: lianas, capoak, bamboos, coconut, ferns, philodendrons, bromeliads, etc. Bromeliads. So all these types of trees are found over here. Okay. So today I discussed about the vegetation and climate I had already explained you. Map, students, once again I will tell you that you have to color it like this only, but with pencil color, not sketch pen. Okay, and here the legend is there. See, this also you will have to write that pink color is for cold desert, grey color is for hot desert, green is for dense forest, and purple is for ice cap, and yellow is for other areas. Other areas means it is not shown what area, but other areas. So you will have to color it like this only, the area which is shown over here, same areas. Okay, correctly you have to color it, the areas, not like that only that any area you will cover it. The area should be perfectly where it is. Okay, you will do that. Whatever map, main is physical map only, but if you don't get, you can color it in the political map also and show it to me. So this legend also you will write it at the side. So small box you will make and you will write all these things and you will color it like this, all these colors. Okay, and so that we can know that what color is for what desert and what forest and what ice cap and others. So you will do this and you will paste it in your SST copy, where you will start your chapter 7, where I will give you short question answers and detailed question answers. So from opposite side, plain side, you will paste this. And student, for diagram you will make this exotic wildlife. For today I will give you the homework for diagram, and this will be exotic wildlife. So out of this you can skip some of the animals. You can make 4 or 5 animals also, whichever is easy for you. So exotic wildlife we will show over here, and that also you will color it with pencil color only. Okay, so in one page you will paste the map, and in other plain page you will draw the diagram. Hope you have understood what I have said. And in this also there are so many animals, so you can skip some animals. Whichever is easy for you, you can draw that. And with black pen you will do the outline, and with pencil color you will color it. Thank you.